What kind of tax implications are there if you become victim of a crypto scam? Or is there any way to offset these losses? Stick around and I'll tell you more. Before we jump in, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not tax, financial, or legal advice. Also, the examples I mentioned might not exactly match your situation. So as always, speak to a qualified professional if you're looking for tax advice. Hello, my name is Nelly and welcome back to another video. In the last video, we talked about the top 5 most commonly known crypto scams. In this video, we're talking about what happens if you become a victim of one of these, and if there's any way to offset or properly report these things when you're doing your taxes. So what does this mean in terms of crypto taxes? First and foremost, you will not have to pay taxes on coins lost in crypto scams. Now, offsetting your coins will greatly depend on your country of residence or where you're doing your taxes from. So in this video, we're going to cover the 4 most common customer markets we have, which is US, UK, Australia, and Canada. If you are from another country, we have plenty of different guides that might be of value to you, so I will leave it in the description down below. Definitely check those out. Let's start off by talking about the US and then the UK. In these countries, stolen crypto is not a capital loss. In the US specifically, prior to 2017, you could claim theft losses on crypto as a capital loss. However, the bill they had at the time no longer allows you to do that, but there might be some good news around the corner because in 2025, these rules are set to expire. And this could mean some changes are coming your way, so make sure to follow our guides, which once again, like I said, I will leave a link down below for all the latest and greatest information on all of these things. Moving on to the UK. Although UK investors also can't claim these scams as a capital loss, there might be a glimmer of light in the type of scam or coins bought under false pretenses becoming worthless. So in this specific case, you may be able to have a negligible value claim, so make sure to do your research. I will also leave a much more detailed UK guide down below for you to look at, but it looks like it'll specifically depend on the region that you're in, and obviously you will need to also make sure with a qualified professional whether you can claim this negligible value claim. Moving on to Australia, Australians are very lucky because they can actually report crypto scams as capital losses. So if that does unfortunately happen to you, make sure to take advantage of that situation and make sure to do that. Lastly, we're talking about Canada. In Canada, currently, there are no clear guidelines. The CRA does allow capital assets that are stolen to be claimed as capital losses. So there might be a chance they would also allow the same rules for crypto. Obviously, make sure to do your own research and ask a qualified professional before, doing any of these things. This is a constantly evolving and changing topic, and as I've said a few times in this video, make sure to follow our guides because they are updated much more frequently than the videos. I will leave them down below. These laws are constantly evolving, constantly changing from country to country, so it's definitely useful to have a source that is constantly being updated. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.